Hi video ninjas, I welcome you all to today's training. My name is Genesis, a digital creator. So we're going to start from where we left off last time and our win themes. So I was trying to update my theme last time and it wasn't updating successfully. If you're having challenges with that, just click on this DIVI button right here from your menu. You can see that mine is showing updated, the theme successful. So just click on this DIVI. So I hope all network works very well and fast today like both. So still loading. So once your DIVI comes up, this is where you get to customize your theme, your DIVI theme, the professional theme. So if you're having challenges updating your theme, probably it's asking you for login details, just come to updates. From DIVI updates, you place your username and you place your API key. You click save. Once you save it, you are good to go. So now coming to general, you could change your logo from here. You can see the way this logo is. Let me decide I was updating some things last time. So you can see the way this logo is. So you can change the logo to yours if you don't want this DIVI logo to be there. So you can change the logo from this logo. Just click on upload. So let's say I want to use something like this as my logo. Just click on set as logo, scroll down, or from the top here, click on save changes. So once you save changes now, you are good to go. So once I refresh this page right now, you find out that my logo must have changed. Yeah, so this is my logo. So this is out for you to change your logo under this DIVI session. So you could change some settings, you could play around, change some few things you want to change. You want to set up your Facebook profile URL, your Twitter, your Instagram, RSS icon, and lots more. So if you are good at coding, you could write more extra codes here to style up your CSS. So you could come to navigation, builder, layouts, ads, SEO, integration, and just explore these options and then try the one that suits you and works for you best. So another way to customize your site's front end is through appearance. You come to customize, appearance, and you come to customize. So it's loading up. You could also change your logo as well. So over here now it's going to change the interface that you all used to know before. So you'll see something like general setting. You could check your site identity. So you could change your site's title. You could change your layouts. You could change your text, your color, your background, and so many other good settings right here. So you could change your header, navigation, your footer, your buttons, your menu as well. So you could change a lot of settings from here. So I'm going to close it because I'm not going to use this for now. Once you do that, make sure you publish it. I quickly skipped it. So once you make any changes, click on publish once you're done. So over here, appearance and customize. I'll click it again. So once I make any changes now to this site, you just click on publish and you are good to go. So I'm not using this concept for now. So I was trying to tell you guys about the old interface. So I'll come to plugins right now. So there's a way this old interface looks like. So depending on what you are used to or what you like to use, so I'll just click on add new. Then I'll click on this classic. If you saw me searching, I'll just click on this classic editor. I'll install now. Classic editor. So this will take you back to the way things used to be back then. So you click activate. I told you guys that there was extra plugins that I was talking about. So this is one of it. So once I come to my post section now, Still loading. So I edit, this is my first blog post I made. I'll just click edit. Still loading. So you find out that the interface has changed, like completely changed from what it used to be. So probably you may be used to this, or probably you like this old interface, depending on you. So if you don't like it, you can switch back to the former interface. But if you like this, good for you. If you don't like this, you switch. So if I don't want to use this interface, I can switch to the other interface, which I'll just come back to my plugins again. So this is the good old style. I used to love this, but sometimes we need to adapt to change. Change is something sometimes we are not used to, but we can adapt to change. So my network is making this load slowly. Over here, sometimes we do have network challenges. So once it loads up, I'll show you how to change to your former interface. Let me try clicking on the plugin again. Still loading, still loading, still loading. So if I don't want this classic editor, I'll just click deactivate. It doesn't stop or spoil anything on your site. So once I need it again, I'll just click activate. So it has been deactivated. Once I go back to my post now, you find out that the interface has come back again. I'll click edit, 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 and voila, I'm back to my new interface. So here I get to, so if just some things are missing, just click on settings, the settings icon, the buttons will come back. If you're not used to this, if you prefer the other interface, you can go for the other interface. So moving on with our concept design, I just wanted to show you guys some tricks from the back end. So moving on in our concept design. So just play around most of our settings. Remember to customize your phone number. I'd like to make a big shout out to Clothes Tech. This guy has been good, he has been following. And so I would like to make some few observations on the site. So he has been following everything I've been teaching, and he has been applying it, and it's good to go. So he needs to make some adjustment to his menu. So we're having this home page, about us, blog, contact us. So we're having two home pages. So I would like him to correct that. Two home pages. Then if you don't want this search bar to be in your site, you could remove it. I'll show you how to do that. Then he needs to make some changes to his dummy text right here. This text is not needed. He needs to make some editing here. He needs to make some editing in his sites. He needs to make some editing. So I'll leave that to him. So let me dive in right now to menu. So to customize your menu, you just click on appearance, then you click on menu. And so the menu bar should be loading. So in this menu, you just give your menu a name. So I will just say menu. Then I'll create menu. So I'll add my home tag. Let me check my former menu. Okay, mine is also having two home buttons, so I'm going to correct that quickly. So I'll just click on the pages I want to add to my menu. So I'll click on home. Do I want to add privacy? Probably. I'll add it. So if you want to view all my pages in case you're this is most recent, so I'll just click on view all. So all my pages will be loaded here, so I'll just add it. I just want to add home and privacy for now. These are the two pages I have. So I'll click on home, click on privacy policy, and add to menu. So you could add custom links if you want to redirect someone to another site, or you build something somewhere else and you want to redirect people there. So you could add custom link, put the link text and the custom link. So you could even add posts to the menu, not just only pages, but if you want to arrange your works accordingly and nice, you need to create a post, a page for it. I mean, you create pages for it to arrange your post very well. So I've added it to my menu. I'll just click on save menu, and that should be good to go. Once it shows updates, so menu has been updated, so I'll just click on refresh my page again, and you find out that my menu should be organized properly now. I should be having only home and privacy policy, only home and privacy policy. So if that is not, so I'll activate this to be primary menu. Primary menu. So if you want secondary menu, I'll explain that later. So primary menu, footer menu. So if I scroll down to this side, these are the footer menu. So I'm going to talk about primary menu. I'll click save. So once I make change to this right now, save, my menu should load up properly. So I'll just refresh again, and so my menu is arranged properly now because I clicked on primary menu. So now I'll try to create a page now. I talked earlier about how to create a blog post, but you may be wondering, why is my blog post not showing on my site accordingly? So you just click on pages right now. I'm going to create a new page. So I'll create this one, I'll call it a blog, just like the way he did in his own here. He created a blog. Let me see if he went ahead of me or if he's still flowing. Okay, so he created a blog page. Alright, so it's in line. So I'll just give your blog page a simple title. So I'll just write blog, that's all. Could be capital letter or true or small letter or true, whatever you like. I'll just click on publish, and I'll click once it's saved or once it's published successfully. So I'll click on my own page to my dashboard. So over here now I have my blog page. So what I just need to do is come over here. I can move from here and click edit with DIVI, open a new tab 1, or I can come here and backspace, edit, and clear up and make it blog. So once this loads up properly, it's going to load up the same thing for me based on the fact that I just did the same thing, but I did it in different ways. So this is the blog now, so I can enable my visual builder, or I wait for this to load since I clicked edit with DIVI. So if you click on it here, it's going to cover up this dashboard. So just try to highlight it, right click on it, and open on a new tab. So I'm going to just choose browse layout right now, and I'm going to just look for that my layout I used earlier. Can I remember that? Can I remember it? Let me see the interface I used. Okay, I think I used technology last time. So I click on technology. So you can use any interface you love, but I'm just going to stick with the one I used before. So I'll click on this mobile app stuff. Then I'll click on blog. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking for, blog. So I'll just click on use this layout. So it's going to load the layout for me automatically so that there will be a style for me to use. Like, I don't want to be doing this from scratch. A lot of persons find it difficult to learn this starting from scratch in designing. So sometimes because of that, if you're liking to use that or you like to use that, you could do that as well and just build from scratch, but just for documentation purpose and for quick flow in our video production, I would just love to use interface or templates for now. So I love this. The blog site is fine and good. So I'm going to click on, so any recent blog post I make now will show over here, just like as you can see now. So I'll just click on save and you're good to go. So these are things that we do or others do, and they speed up process. They can do a lot of sites in a day within 24 hours, build up like 10 sites. So you could take these jobs and do a lot of site design for yourself and for your company. So once I refresh now, you find out that this site is loaded properly. Let's see where we are now. So try to make sure areas you are not clear about, you pause, you check them back again, you play it again and over again, just like a song. You learn something not once, you learn it twice, thrice, keep on repeating it, watch and implement. So now it's loaded properly. Now I need to add my blog now to my menu. So I'll just click on my menu again, appearance, menu. So I'll click on blog. This is my most recent, add new, add to menu. So it's added now, so I'll just drag just to customize. So it's just drag and drop. Then I'll click on save because I want my blog to be here. I'll click on save. So once I click on save now, I don't need to click on this primary menu anymore. So I'll just come to my home button, come to my home site. And so once I want to see my blog or my users to see my blog, I just click on blog. And well, I'm good to go, so I can see my content now. So anytime I make new posts, it's going to show here automatically. Don't believe it or don't believe what I'm saying. I'm going to show you right away. So that's some things I'm going to just customize now. I'm going to just come to this is my blog. I don't want this to be showing. It's showing page not found, no results. I'll just delete this. Then I'll delete the session. I'll just delete. I'll click save just to customize something so you can see your beautiful newsletters. You could edit your email marketing strategy. I'm going to talk about that later. You could edit so many stuffs on and on and on. So that's why I really recommend this theme. So you can do a lot of designs on it. So it's saved right now. So once I refresh this, it's going to be saved. Good. So I'm just trying to, I'll make an update now so I can close this. So let's come over to our posts. So I'll click on add new. So mind you, this post is not showing an image right now. So I'll show you how I add images to my posts. So I'll just call it today news. So then I'll enter down. I'll just use default editor. You could use DIVI if you want. So I'll just put fresh news as my short content. You could write more and add more. So I'll click on posts. I'll scroll down and still use my same normal category or add new. So I'll just call this news. I'll click enter. So I'll add a feature image this time. So I'll just choose, what image will I choose now? I'll just choose this. I'll click set featured image. So I'll just click publish and publish. So now once I come and refresh my page, my blog, you find out that the content will just reveal itself. Content is here. So once I click, so this is how the style for this is, how to make money. Okay, today's news so is already updated right now. So I'll just come over to my dashboard. So I'm able to make 2 posts now, and you can see the post showing here right away. So if I want to close this search bar, if you don't want it, just come to appearance, just click on customize. So I'll wait for it to load. Customize. Read more. Let me try to read something here. Network, please be friendly. So I'll click on general setting, site identity. So if you want to place your favorite icon, this small icon over here, you can do that here by uploading the icon. So let me use this. So I'm done. Just crop the image. So if I refresh this page now, you see my own icon showing here. So it's called FAV icon, FAV icon. So waiting for this to update now. Skip, publish. Alright, so we're trying to remove that search bar. I just come to my menu. So this menu, you can also create a menu through here. And so where are you? Header. So header formats, you could enable this if you want. Camera menu. So I can make this to hide my logo if I don't want the logo, but I want the logo to be read. So you can make it full width. You can see the changes it makes. Full width. I think I'll just go with full width for now. Then I'll come to, I'm looking for that search bar. Fixed navigation setting, sidebar control, header elements. So I'll just click on this to hide the search bar. I don't want it. So once I'm done, I'll just click publish and I'm good to go. So just wait for it to be published. So I'll just click on it. So you can see that this search bar is gone and my site has been customized. So for this, this is your blog right here. You just can make comments. You can add some stuff. So I'm just going to show you how to customize and do your footer right now. So I'll just come to over here to footer. This is my menu. So I just come to footer. So you can change the colors. I just come to footer bar and edit my footer credit. So I could just say what's here before. So this is what is here now. So I could just copy this, come here and paste. So designed by, so I could just say designed by Learn with Genesis. Designed by Learn with Genesis. Then this powered by. So you could put powered by yourself, your company name. So I could just say powered by Read Concepts. Powered by Read Concepts. So if I want to add a referral link to this, I'll just add my tag. So if you're good at coding, you understand what I'm doing right now. If you're not good, please just watch and follow. So I open my href. I'll just put HTTPS. Then I'll just put my site link, learnwithgenesis.com. Then I'll open my tag. So I'll open a target. I don't want it to show in the same site, so I'll just open it up and I'll just put underscore blank and I'm done. So just remaining one few lines of code slash this and I'm done. So I've closed my site tag. Now just click publish. So once I refresh this, now it should change. So you can see designed by Learn with Genesis, powered by Read Concepts. So you can add your social media tags here. Once you do that under DIVI to appear here once I click on it. But once I click now, it's going to show me empty. So once I click here now, it's going to redirect me to my own website, Learn with Genesis. So I wanted to load up quickly before I switch. So this is my site. It's going to load up. It's going to load up and done. So I would like it to allow this so that you can get my recent content. Allow is good for notifications. Click accept. You can subscribe if you want to subscribe. If you're not interested, you can skip and you're good to go. So I have my content over here, my blog content. So this is where my latest content are. So you can come here and check for yourself. So if you don't want this archive button or you don't want this category, you can remove it if you don't like the design. So you can close this right here. and come to appearance and come to widgets. So just wait for it to load. So these are the sidebar and the bottom bar. So I'll close this right here. So you can see showing this area, footer area. So I can close this if I don't want this in your design. So just right click and click remove heading. You click again and remove archive. You click again and you scroll down, remove heading. Then click on this and scroll down, remove categories. So once you are done, if you don't want the sidebar, this sidebar over here, you can remove it as well, but I want my sidebar to be there. So I just click update. So I refresh my site right now, it's going to be updated. I won't see this archive anymore, and we'll see Vala and go to go. So this is how to customize your site in the best way possible. So if you want to dive in more, you could play around your site, customize it to your own taste, whatever you want to do, and you're good to go. So that will be it for this video. So there are new current trends like email marketing, trends like website automations. So I want you to subscribe to this channel for updates, for inflows, and you're also helping others too, helping yourself by subscribing. Smash that bell, accept all notifications, and get updates from me. Stay creative, stay positive, and catch you in the next video. Bye for now.